In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Virgin Media Wi-Fi when it's not working and get your network back online. First, restart your Virgin Media router. Unplug it from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple step often clears temporary glitches. Next, check if your device is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network and the password is entered correctly. Sometimes devices connect to a neighbor's network or the wrong band. Make sure your router is placed in a central, open spot away from thick walls or electronics that could cause interference. Check for outages in your area by visiting the Virgin Media status page or using their app. If there's an outage, you'll need to wait until it's fixed. Verify your router's firmware is up to date. You can check this in the Virgin Media Hub settings through the web interface or app. If Wi-Fi still isn't working, try resetting the router to factory settings by holding the reset button for about 10 seconds. Remember, this will erase your custom settings, so you'll need to set up your network again. Also, disconnect and reconnect devices or forget the network on your device and reconnect. This can resolve connection issues. If possible, connect a device via Ethernet cable to see if the issue is with the Wi-Fi or the internet connection itself. If these steps don't solve the problem, contact Virgin Media support for further assistance. Following these tips should get your Virgin Media Wi-Fi working smoothly again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.